guys, today we're going to make quick, easy, delicious cabbage pakora. It's very tasty and perfect for iftar times when you want to make something quick. So let's begin with the ingredients. Half a cabbage finely chopped, 1 finely chopped onion, 1 cup of besan or gram flour, a quarter cup of rice flour, red chili powder to taste, chaat masala 1 teaspoon. If you want to know how to make homemade chaat masala, check the link in the description. Cumin seeds 1 teaspoon, half a teaspoon of turmeric, a quarter cup of coriander leaves, salt to taste. So we're going to add in our besan or gram flour first. We're going to mix all our ingredients together in one bowl. That's how very simple it is, and it's very tasty. Adding your salt. And this. So this does not need any water added to it. You just need to mix it properly for a good 5 minutes. And next we're going to go on frying them. So we're going to deep fry our cabbage pakoras. So the oil should be piping hot. And you're going to get a bit of your mixture and place it on a medium flame. And let them fry until they're nice and crispy golden brown. Gently move them around so they don't burn. So here we have a nice and crunchy, delicious cabbage pakora. It's very easy, simple to make, and it's especially tasty with spicy and tangy tamarind chutney. We have a video on how to make this tamarind chutney. It's linked in the description. So be inspired, try new things and conquer amazing skills. And like and subscribe and comment down below and check out our other videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.